Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video I am going to show you how to insert a picture into a line with text in Word. Let's get started. Firstly we have to open a Word document. Then we go to the insert menu and click picture option. Then choose a picture on our file. Then click insert. Now we can see here we insert a picture. Then we resize the picture some small. Then go to the format menu and click wrap text option. Then choose in line with text. Now we can see here we insert picture into a line with text in Word very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video.